Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we embark on an electrifying journey into the world of electric trains. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, a training video really? But trust me, by the time we reach the end of this ride, you'll be seeing electric trains in a whole new light. I've got some facts up my sleeve that are guaranteed to blow your mind and maybe even spark a newfound appreciation for these incredible machines. Whether you're a longtime rail fan or just someone who's curious about the technology that shapes our world, buckle up. We're about to take a high-speed trip through 10 surprising facts about electric trains that you probably didn't know. Are you ready to hop aboard this electric adventure with me? Let's get this train rolling. Fact 1. The birth of electric trains. Let's start our journey by turning back the clock. Did you know that electric trains have been zipping around for over 150 years? That's right, these technological marvels have been with us since the Victorian era. The world's first electric train was built way back in 1837 by a brilliant Scottish inventor named Robert Davidson. Now, picture this. It's 1837, the same year Queen Victoria ascended to the British throne. While most people were still getting around by horse and carriage, Davidson was busy creating a small locomotive that ran on batteries. Can you imagine the looks on people's faces when they saw this contraption moving without steam or horses? It must have seemed like something straight out of a science fiction novel. Except it was real. Davidson's invention was revolutionary, but it wasn't exactly practical for long-distance travel. The batteries of the time were heavy and couldn't store enough energy for extended journeys. But don't worry, innovators didn't give up on the idea. Fast forward to 1879, and we see the first electric railway open in Berlin, Germany. This time, instead of relying solely on batteries, the train drew power from an electrified third rail. This was a game changer, allowing for longer, more reliable journeys. By the early 1900s, electric trains were becoming more common, especially in urban areas. They were cleaner and quieter than their steam-powered counterparts, making them ideal for city use. So, the next time you hop on an electric train, remember you're riding on over 150 years of innovation and engineering brilliance. Fact 2. Efficiency at its best. Now let's talk efficiency, because this next fact is truly jaw-dropping. Electric trains aren't just a little bit more efficient than their diesel counterparts, they're in a whole different league. Here's the breakdown. Electric trains convert about 90% of the electrical energy they consume into movement. That's right, 90%. To put that into perspective, for every 100 units of energy an electric train uses, 90 units go directly into moving the train forward. On the flip side, diesel trains convert only about 30% of their energy into motion. That means for every 100 units of energy a diesel train consumes, only 30 units are used to actually move the train. The rest is lost as heat and other forms of wasted energy. But what does this mean in practical terms? Well, it means electric trains can do more with less. They require less energy to travel the same distance as a diesel train, which translates to lower operating costs and reduced environmental impact. This efficiency isn't just about saving money or energy, it's about creating a more sustainable future for transportation. As we face global challenges like climate change, the efficiency of electric trains becomes even more crucial. So, the next time you're zipping along in an electric train, remember, you're riding one of the most energy-efficient vehicles on the planet. Fact 3. The speed demons. Now, let's shift gears and talk about something that gets everyone's heart racing: speed. Electric trains aren't just efficient, they're also incredibly fast. In fact, they hold some of the most impressive speed records in the world of ground transportation. Let's talk about the current speed king of the railway world, the Japanese Shinkansen, also known as the bullet train. This marvel of engineering has reached an astonishing speed of 374 kilometers per hour, or about 232 miles per hour. To put that into perspective, that's faster than a cheetah can run, quicker than most small aircraft can fly, and more than 3 times the speed limit on most highways. But the Shinkansen isn't alone in the high-speed club. France's TGV, Train à Grande Vitesse, has hit speeds of 357 kilometers per hour, 222 miles per hour in regular service, while China's Shanghai Maglev reaches 431 kilometers per hour, 268 miles per hour on its short route. What makes these high speeds possible? It's a combination of factors. Streamlined design. These trains are aerodynamically designed to slice through the air with minimal resistance. Powerful motors. Electric motors can deliver high torque instantly, allowing for rapid acceleration. Advanced track systems. High-speed lines are built with minimal curves and grade changes to allow for top speeds. Sophisticated control systems. Complex computer systems constantly monitor and adjust the train's performance for optimal speed and safety. Imagine being able to live in one city and commute to work in another, hundreds of miles away, in less time than it takes to drive across town in heavy traffic. That's the reality that high-speed electric trains are creating. So, the next time you're on an electric train, racing through the countryside at incredible speeds, take a moment to appreciate the engineering marvel you're experiencing. You're participating in one of the most exciting advancements in transportation technology. Fact 4. The power of electrification. Now, let's zoom out and look at the big picture. Have you ever wondered just how widespread electric trains are? Well, prepare to be amazed, because electric trains are literally changing the face of transportation across the globe. Here's a fact that might surprise you. Over 40 countries have fully electrified railway systems. That's right. From the bustling cities of Europe to the vast expanses of China, electric trains are becoming the norm rather than the exception. Let's break it down. Europe leads the way, with countries like Switzerland, the Netherlands, and Sweden having 100% of their railway networks electrified. China, despite its enormous size, has electrified over 70% of its vast railway network, an incredible feat given the country's geography. Japan, known for its bullet trains, has nearly all of its main railway lines electrified. Russia, with the world's third-largest rail network, is rapidly expanding its electric rail system. Globally, around 50% of all railway lines are now electrified. That's half of the world's railways running on clean, efficient electric power. This global shift towards electric trains is more than just a trend. It's a revolution in how we think about transportation. It's about creating a more connected, efficient, and sustainable world. So, the next time you hear about a country investing in electric rail, remember, you're witnessing a global transformation in action. It's not just about trains, it's about reshaping our world for a cleaner, more efficient future.